Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how to fix Warzone 3 stuttering and lag spikes. So let's begin. First, if you have logging issues, switch to an Ethernet cable. A LAN connection is highly recommended to eliminate many Warzone 3 lag-related issues. Next, press Windows plus R keys, launch CMD, and enter this command. Try changing the DNS server address. Open Control Panel, then open Network and Sharing Center. Click on your current active connection. Open Properties and select Internet Protocol version 4. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter this in the preferred DNS server and this in the alternate DNS server. If problem persists, try reinstalling Warzone 3 and that's it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!